आज का सुबह का सच. Today I'm going to talk about a fixed mindset versus growth mindset. Now there are 6 parameters in which it can be judged. First one being desire. The fixed mindset will tell you, I'm okay with whatever I have or I have learned. I don't want to learn new things. Growth mindset will say, no matter it may come with a small risk, I want to learn new things. Second one is skills. The fixed mindset will say, I am okay with whatever I have learned. I have nothing new to learn as a skill. Growth mindset will ask, is this the best I can do? Or can I learn new things which can develop me and my personality? The third is efforts. The fixed mindset will say that it's a waste of time. I mean, why to unnecessarily waste time in learning new things and having a new mindset? Wherein the growth mindset will say, even though if it is difficult, I know it will help me, in the longer run. The fixed mindset person will give up easily. That I can't do this, and let me not take that risk and do. The growth mindset people will learn from that mistake and try again with different strategy. In terms of feedback, the fixed mindset people will easily give up and say, it's boring, no one likes to do it. Wherein the growth mindset people will take the feedback, learn from that feedback, and try to improve from that feedback. If they see other talent, the fixed mindset people will easily say he is born with a talent. It's easy for him or her to do. Wherein the growth mindset people will try to learn from his or her peers that how did he or she do it? I want to learn. Can you teach me? These are the words which they will, ask and learn from their peers. So these are the 6 parameters you should remember, whether to know that you have a fixed mindset or a growth mindset. If you have a fixed mindset, it's better to change because the people with growth mindset will only grow in the near future. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, please write to me at sounderspeaks@gmail.com and I'll be happy to answer that next morning. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.